Hello everyone! Let's bring life to our drawings with a flipbook. Say bye to the traditional ways of making flipbooks and let's welcome this amazing innovative flipbook. Here's how creative your pictorial narration can be. Put your vision on the paper, frame by frame. Make your own vision map. And then you can either use a sticky notepad or make your own flipbook with white papers. And let's start by printing nests on all the sheets this way. We then make an egg stamp with an eraser. Use the egg stamp on all the sheets as per our vision map. Notice a point on the map where the egg cracks further. Let's crack our egg too, this way. Detailing time. This is how we do. That's it. Look at our little chick. Isn't that crazily easy? And now, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications and do comment. This is your Sue signing off.